Dear student, in a digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know from last class, we are discussing about how to convert a rational number into decimal expansion. And this is telling us about terminating decimal expansion, non-terminating decimal expansion. So here we are going to express a decimal expression into rational number. That means we are going to do something that is opposite to the last class. So let's see. First, to start this topic, we must know about how to convert a short form into a normal form. Here I have prepared a converting table for your understanding. Let's see the first case. 0.1 bar. This line represents this number is repeating. You can see in first case only one number is downside of a line. That means this number is going to repeat, and you can express it is like that 0.1111 and so on. That means so many 1 will come. Let's take the case number 2. It is 0.09 bar. Now you can see this case here two numbers are downside of a line, 0 and 9. This means these two numbers are going to repeat again and again. So its expanded form becomes 0.09, 09 and 09. Let's see the third case. We have 0.001 and line is over 3 number. That means these 3 numbers are repeated digits. So let's see 0.001, 001, 001. Next point, you can see fourth part, that is 0.823 bar. This line is only over 3. That means one digit is downside of a line. If one digit is downside of a line, then we need to repeat that digit. You can see here 0.82333. I have written 333, not 8 and 2. This is very important to know how many digits are downside of the bar line. Next, see the next case, 0.47 bar. In this case, you can see easily I have repeated only 7. It is very clear to you, I hope so now. How many digits are downside of a bar line, that you need to repeat, not all digits. Last case, see, that is 0.321. In this case 2 and 1 is downside of a bar line. That means 2 and 1 is going to repeat again and again and again. So let's start with your exercise. Question number 3. Express the following in terms of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. Here you have 3 cases. First is 0.6 bar, next is 0.47 bar, third part is 0.001 bar. I am taking first case. Let x equals to 0.6 bar. As I told you, here we have only one digit downside of bar. That means we need to write only in expanded form 0.666 and so on. Whenever we have only one digit repeating, then means we need to multiply by 10. If 2 digits are repeated, then by 100. If 3 digits are repeated, then by 1000. So in first case, it is very clear. While we are converting, we have only one digit repeated. So you can see I have written multiply the equation number 1 both sides by 10. When you are multiplying 10 with x, it becomes 10x, and second side when we are multiplying 10 into 0.666, that means it becomes 6.66 and so on. Now next task, we need to subtract 2 minus 1. That means 10 minus x and 6.66 minus 0.66. You can see in the rough area I have solved this 6.666 minus 0.666. 6 minus 6 0. All 6 are going to cancel except the first one. That means only 6 left with you. And 10x minus 1x is 9x. 9x is equals to 6, and as 9 is in multiply, definitely it will go to denominator, and x is equals to 6 upon 9. You can cancel both number. They are in the table of 3. 3 2 just 6, 3 3 just 9. Overall your answer become x is equals to 2 upon 3, and in last you need to write hence 0.6 bar in the form of P upon Q is equals to 2 upon 3. I hope so, my dear students, you are able to understand this concept. So let's see one more example. 0.47 bar. This time this line or bar line is over under only one number is there, that is 7. So let this number is equals to x. Second thing, expand this number. X is equals to 0.4777 and one digit is repeated once again here. So if one digit is repeated, as I told you, if one digit is repeated, then multiply by 10. If 2 are repeated, then by 100. If 3 are repeated by, then 1000. So in this case, once again we need to multiply by 10 only. So it become one side it become 10x, and second side as you are multiplying, then it become 10 into 0.4777 and so on. 10x, and if you are multiplying 10 into 0.477, so it become 4.777 and so on. Now we need to do minus. What we need to minus? We need to subtract equation number 2 and 1. When we are subtracting it, then 10 minus x is one side, and second side it become 4.77 minus 0.777. You can see in rough area I have subtracted both line. 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 7 0, and 1 times 7 minus 4 3, and 4 as such. That means 4.3 is your overall answer. So next step, and 10x minus x is 9x. That means x is equals to 4.3 upon 9. If we are removing this decimal, then we can write 43 upon 90. Hence 0.47 bar in the form of P upon Q is equals to 43 upon 90. Let's take one more case. Third case, that is x is equals to 0.001 bar. Here you can see we have 3 digits downside of bar. That means these 3 digits are going to repeat again and again. So when we are writing it expanded form, then it become x is equals to 0.001001001. In this way you can write so many times this same 3 digit by repeating again and again. This is your equation number 1. Here we have 3 digit repeated, then we need to multiply by 1000 both side. So let's see, by multiplying by 1000 both side, it become 1000x, and here 1000 into 0.001001001 and so on. When you are multiplying this number by 1000, it become 1.001001 and 001. Now next step, subtract both line, equation 1 and 2. After subtracting 1000 minus x, it is, we need to remove only one x from 1000, 999x, and this subtraction of decimal I did in rough area, you can see easily. So it is left only 1. That means x is equals to 1 upon 999, that is 999. Hence 0.001 in the form of P upon Q is equals to 1 upon 999, that is 999. This is your answer for third. Let's take one more same example. Express the following. This is your question number 4. 0.999 so on in the form of P upon Q. It is already given in the expanded form. First we need to write its short form. We have given 0.9999 and so on. In short, you can see here 9 is the digit that is repeated and repeated again and again. So only one digit is that. You can write it is in this way, x is equals to 0.9 bar. One digit is repeated, as I told you, if one digit is repeated, then by 10 we need to multiply both sides. It become 10x, and this side it become 10 into 0.999 and so on. After multiplying it become 9.999 and so on. Here you can write so many 9s because as it is non-terminating recurring decimal. So let's see here. After this we need to subtract equation 2 and 1. 10 minus x is 9x, and here 9.999 so on minus 0.99. I did subtraction in rough area, you can see, and it left only 9. Rest is going to be cancelled. That means x is equals to 9 upon 9. This 9 is in multiplication with x. Definitely it will go to denominator. Then after cancelling 9 1 ja 9, 1 is your overall answer. Hence 0.999 in the form of P upon Q is equals to 9 upon 9, and overall it is equals to 1. So I hope so, my dear student, this conversion of a decimal expansion into rational number, you are able to understand this concept. Let's take on one easiest question. It is your question number 2 of exercise 1.3. You all know that if you know that 1 upon 7 value is given to you, and it is given to you, find out 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. So in this case, once 1 upon 7 is with you, then you can find out all the value without calculating. As I did in rough area, you can see, if I am multiplying 1 upon 7 by 2, then it becomes